Skyreels versus Wand AI. Which AI tool is right for you? In the realm of AI powered creativity, Skyreels and Wand AI offer unique solutions for storytellers and businesses alike. Let's explore what each brings to the table to help you decide what suits your needs the best. Let's start off with Skyreels. So, Skyreels is an AI driven platform that transforms your story into vibrant comics and manga. No drawing skills required. Key features: story mode and freestyle mode, so you can import your narrative or start from scratch to generate comic panels. AI generated characters create consistent characters and backgrounds with advanced algorithms. Image reference mode, so you can refine AI outputs using your own images for more control. Detail adjustment tools fine tune elements like expressions and poses. Multi character composition design scenes with multiple characters interacting seamlessly. This is best for aspiring comic artists, storytellers, educators, and marketers looking to create visual narratives effortlessly. One Day AI is a self-service platform enabling businesses to harness AI capabilities without any coding knowledge. Key features: no code interface, so you can build AI models using a drag and drop system, pre-built templates, access ready-made solutions for common business tasks. Data integration, connect and analyze data from various sources seamlessly. Automated machine learning, implement AI driven insights quickly. Collaboration tools, work with team members in real time on AI projects. This is best for business professionals, data analysts, and teams aiming to integrate AI into their workflows efficiently. Okay, so choose Skyreels if you're looking to bring your stories to life through comics without the need for artistic skills, or you can opt for Want AI if your business seeking to implement AI solutions swiftly and without any coding. Both platforms offer powerful tools tailored to different creative and professional needs. Consider your objectives and choose the one that aligns best with your goals.